Alright everyone, today I'm bringing you another way to unlock the screen pattern password. This time I have the Samsung A15 here. It's locked with either a pin or a password, it doesn't matter. Today we're going to show you how to unlock your device. Remove your SIM card and your memory card, because this process will erase everything stored on the device. In some cases you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that, okay? So what are you going to do? On this emergency screen or the lock screen, either one, you're going to press the volume down and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down button and press the volume up button. When the word Samsung appears on the screen, release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'm going to show you here how you can do it yourself. In a moment, I'll talk about the Google account, okay? On this emergency screen, as I said, hold the volume down and power buttons until the device restarts. Keep holding for just a few seconds. Let's go. Hold it. Release the volume down. Press the volume up. When the word Samsung appears on the screen, release the power button as we mentioned and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. If you're not subscribed yet, I want to ask you to subscribe as well. I also want to give you another tip. This procedure will work for other Samsung models too, okay? So on this screen, we're going to go down to the fifth option by pressing the volume down button where it says IP data factory reset and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, go down with the volume down button and confirm again with the power button. On this next screen, we'll wait for the information to finish loading so we can continue with our unlocking process. On this next screen, guys, we just confirm. Here, your device is already being unlocked, formatted and restored. You'll see it's about to restart. That default lock screen password will be gone. And if you need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, we can do this unlocking remotely, okay? Our number will be in the description or on our channel, on the video channel. Because sometimes it's not in the description, YouTube hasn't put it there yet, but it will be on the channel, in the channel description of the video, okay? Just go to the channel and you'll find our number there so you can check the price for unlocking. All you'll need is a computer and a USB cable. And to download the app we use for remote unlocking, which is AnyDesk. If you don't have it, we'll send it to you, okay? But all the unlocking is done by us. You don't need to download any other program, any other file or anything else. Everything is handled by us, on our end, alright? If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description. It doesn't matter how much, what's important is your help, your support. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.